Development of assistive devices for persons with disabilities using small devices. Problem and background. With the recent development of technology, input devices for computers and toys for people with physical disabilities have also been developed. However, these devices are expensive and difficult to operate and use. Currently, each support school or support facility uses handmade input devices with modified mice and keyboards. However, they have problems such as safety issues and fragility. Therefore, we decided to develop assistive devices for the handicapped that are as reasonable and easy to use as possible. Framework and result. This research consisted of two components: development and implementation. Development required the handcrafting of many devices, which we did with the help of friends. These devices can control various objects such as iPads and stuffed toys, depending on the application. We named this COSIN Multifunctional Endpoint, or KME for short. We worked with a support facility for people with disabilities and implemented the system in the following order: hypothesis, verification, and improvement. We were asked to create something that would help children with disabilities learn cause and effect relationships. Our hypothesis was that if we could create a system in which pressing a button would cause a stuffed animal to move, they would learn the cause and effect relationship of something happens when you press a button. Based on this hypothesis, we tested how children with disabilities would react to the system. The first verification was done with 5 people. The degree of disability differed from person to person, as well as the degree of such disability. The verification revealed many points that could be improved. First, the buttons needed to be improved. We found an unexpected problem. It was difficult to release the button after pressing it. Some people were not interested in the moving stuffed animal, so we needed to find other ways to help them. Furthermore, since there were 5 of us visiting, it became clear that some people were shy or nervous because of the unfamiliarity of the visit, which prevented verification from going well. Given these results, we constructed a new hypothesis. First, we improved the program so that a signal is sent when a button is pressed. In addition to the stuffed animals, we also prepared a massage sheet as a non-visual means. Furthermore, we limited the number of people entering the room to 2, with the remaining members of the group observing in a separate room. These improvements worked wonders during the second verification, and many people were able to experience that something happens when they press a button. Conclusion. I think the significance of this study is that we were able to build a process of not only development, but also development in collaboration with the field of social implementation and incorporating needs into development. I felt that it is necessary to develop not only what kind of products to make, but also to know the environment well and to make it our ally. Thank you for listening.